Hello friends, welcome to the TechListen channel. So friends, today I will talk about MSI's 27-inch Full HD curved gaming LCD display with rapid VA panel. So friend, MSI introduced the G27C4 E3, a 27-inch Full HD curved gaming LCD display featuring a rapid VA panel, and this high-speed monitor boasts a remarkable 180Hz refresh rate and a swift 1 millisecond response time. It incorporates display synchronization technology with support for adaptive sync. And friend, the notable features include night vision, enhancing visibility in low light sceneries, a console mode designed for compatibility with PlayStation 5 and Xbox Series X or S, and the key specification encompasses a brightness level of 250 cadmium per meter square, an impressive 3000 gem contrast ratio, a color gamut coverage featuring Adobe RGB at 90.38%, DisplayPort at 93.96%, sRGB at 119.77%, and the display offers a rich palette of 16.7 million colors and wide viewing angle of 178 degrees horizontally and vertically, and the connectivity option include one DisplayPort, two HDMI ports, and one earphone output. And the stand allow for a tilt adjustment ranging from -5 to 20 degrees. A VESA out is compatible with 100 by 100 pitch. And friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.